if love rules the land. Only if love rules the heart.
Fire rose, gate burned, true stall. The monument half saved while judging free fall. Then ain't guilty for the ash went cold. Who decided first? Who edited the code? No eyes saw flame, no proof spoke loud. Only rumor ran faster than reason allowed. Was it wood that screamed or trust that broke? Was it smoke in the sky or fear that spoke? Who lit the spark? Who passed the word? Who turned assumption into lawless sword? When silence moved quicker than verity could. Was justice asleep or misunderstood?
Inference without evidence, is that defense or decay? When force runs before the logs are read, the state fractures its own way.
Authorized force without verification. Who trained the system to strike on assumption? Where's the proof chain? The audit trail of justice throttled, locked in jail. If one rogue process runs unchecked, is that rebellion or a state defect? Why do alarms scream while watchers freeze? We read a command authority upstream. We die not from hate but from blackout jellies. When conspiracy dies, so does proof. Where were the jurors when whispers won? When innocent became expendable code to run.
Only if love.
Why did villages learn pain? Is every mate a verdict? Is every cookie so an enemy name? When did we stop seeing human first? Who profits when hatred quenches thirst? Are we reflections in shattered glass? Bearing wounds we did not against valley, relief against blood. Are we still pawns on forgotten boards, or ready to uninstall inherited wars?
Only if love rules the land. Only if love rules the land. Let the rivers flow clean again. Let the law stand higher than flame. Let love rule Manipur. And Manipur rise not from ashes, but from understanding.